Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at our HUSQVARNA front disc guards, available for most late model HUSQVARNAs. You can check the fitment on our website. This specific front disc guard is for the small front axle, a 22mm axle. Very simple to install, just an easy removal of the front axle nut and replacement of the lower brake caliper bolt. We have an installation video available on our YouTube channel. These are available in silver, blue, and black. Silver retails at $119, blue and black retail at $129. Solid billet aluminum, pre-drilled on the lower side of the guard for easy access to the fork clicker. Very strong protection for your front brake rotor as well as the lower fork lug guard. With all of our Bulletproof Designs front disc guards, you have the ability to keep the guard installed on the front end while you remove the wheel off the bike. We have made a design change recently that has a cutout on the front side of the disc guard to allow easy access for removal of your two fork pinch bolts on the left side of the axle. This just is an easier access. Instead of using a wrench and getting in there tight fit, you have a nice cutout now that has a straight shot for a socket or a T-handle. That allows you to loosen the pinch bolts, remove the axle, keep the front disc guard in place, take the wheel off the bike. They're available today at bulletproofdesigns.com. Check them out.